you're gonna take your paper landscape and fold it up in half. Unfold it, and now you have a middle line. You wanna write your name above the middle line. Do not go below the bottom line, that middle line. So even if I write in print and I don't use cursive, that's fine. If you know how to write your name in cursive, go ahead and try it. You wanna try to fill up all of this space. So I'm gonna write the name Emery. So I'm gonna go E, M, E, R, Y. And now I want to make these bubble letters. So I'm just going to go on the outside of the name. This is perfect. Do you see how my M is going to touch my E? That's what I want. Again, trace outside of my lines. My R is going to hit my E. That's what I want. I want it to touch. Go on the outside. And connect. You can see all of my letters are now touching. That's step number one. I'm going to take my fold. It should have been folding in like a taco with your name inside. Now you want to fold out so your name is on top. Again, try to line it up with the edge. It might be cutting slightly off the bottom onto that side. That's okay. My Y, the tail, is just going to get cut off. So now I cut along the outside of the bubble letters. Move your paper, not your scissors. You are in control of your paper. It's way easier to just move my paper around than it is to move my scissors. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just try your best. As long as you're getting close to the line, that is fine. Now I'm going to go on the inside. Again, move your paper, not your scissors. This might take a few minutes. Try your best. I'm not going to worry about cutting out that part or this part. It's fine. Sometimes it's easier to start from another spot. Okay, so now I have the name cut out. Again, I cut the tail off of my Y, which is fine. Next, you're going to take your black paper and you're going to go portrait style. So it's tall. Then I open my name And you have a cool shape for the middle of your skeleton. You can decide if this is the bottom or if this is the bottom. You get to decide. Try to glue it about in the middle of your paper, so you have equal space on the top and the bottom, as well as the sides. To glue, I want to make sure I flip it over. Move your paper out of the way. You're going to put the glue on this paper. Make sure you are gluing on the side with the pencil, because we don't want to see our pencil. And then on the opposite side, that's connected. Back up here. In the middle of my paper. And push down. Slowly move your hands around the shape so it stays put. Once I have my name glued down, I'm now going to make the rest of it. So I'm going to get my Q-tip into white paint, and that'll help me make my bones. So there's my neck, and I'm just dipping into my white. I'm gonna go down to the arms. Because I had a capital E, I already kind of have part of my arm. So I'm gonna add the second part, and then maybe like the hand. Go down for the legs. You can go over any other sections that you feel like you need to. There is my skeleton. I could now add, once my paint is dry, I can add the eyes, or the sockets for the eyes at least, and a mouth, or anything that I want in the background.